Yo, what's up? Dark Visor here. In this video I will talk about why I don't talk in my videos. I will ask you a question. I will talk about why I am afraid of big motorcycles. I will talk about why I make YouTube videos. Shut up, bird. And I will present to you another member of Dark Visor Motor Crew, the best motor crew in the world. Yeah! Woo! So, and let's go, have a fun, let's have fun together. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Okay, I'm so sorry. So embarrassing. Okay, never mind, I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Okay, so why I don't talk in my videos? Well, now you might be confused because what am I doing now? I'm talking. But what I mean is why I don't talk in my test ride videos. And the first reason for that is because I don't really like to talk, actually. I'm kind of doing it now, but I do not really like it. Well, I don't know, maybe I'm starting to like it. But the main reason why I don't talk in my test ride videos is because I don't have all the information about the bikes when I ride them. So it's kind of hard to name drop a lot of information about the bike when you don't know them. So that is the reason number two. But yeah, another reason is because when you search for information about a motorcycle on YouTube, the videos are often like 15 to 20 minutes long with the people just talking on and on about nonsense, and you know, not talking about the specifics of the bikes. Maybe you have to like skip through it, but then you miss something, and etc. So they kind of make them too long and too much information, or what you call it. So when I make my test ride videos, I try to make them as short as possible with a lot of information as possible, you know, straight to the point. My earlier videos, they were maybe a bit too short. I think the smallest one is like 2.5 minutes long or something. But on those bikes I really didn't have that much info, and I was new to making videos, so I try to make the test drive videos a bit longer now, around 10 minutes or so. My subscribers have told me that they want to see even longer videos with more information about the bike, or just more material with the motorcycle. And sometimes they will even be a bit but sometimes it's a damn sun. Oh my lord. But sometimes the videos are even longer, and then 10 minutes, and sometimes they're just 5 minutes. It's all about how much information I have about the motorcycle, and you know, sometimes the videos just get shorter, so you have to live with that. Okay bro, yeah, deal with it. What's the next subject? Why I don't talk? Okay, so why do I make videos? Why do I make YouTube videos? First of all, I just like to make videos, and I think it's fun to entertain people, and also inform, and also to inform people, you know. Because when I was about to buy my Ducati Scrambler, I didn't know much about it. So what do? Of course, you Google stuff, and more importantly, you go to YouTube to watch videos of it. But the videos on YouTube, they weren't that good, you know. There weren't no test ride videos that were short and had lots of information and stuff. So I kinda started doing these test ride videos for people like myself who wants to see more about the motorcycle, and yeah, you get the idea. But also, you know, the random encounters thing, you know, riding in traffic and record stuff that happens. I think those videos are awesome to watch online, you know, to watch other people's videos as well when they're riding around in town doing crazy stuff, or, you know, encounters that they encounter. Okay, I have a question for you, and my question is this: what is your dream motorcycle trip? Like destination that you want to go, or travel in some country or whatever. If you have any dream motorcycle trip, comment and let me know what it is. One of my dream trips would be to go down to Slovenia and ride around in Slovenia. I have never been there, but it just looks so beautiful. And also like Switzerland and Italy and stuff like that, but mostly Slovenia I'm interested in going to. Another thing that I would like to do is to rent a motorcycle and go around Iceland, you know, to stop and look at all the stuff and just ride around Iceland. That would be cool. And also a third trip would be to go up north to Sweden and then pass the border into Finland, go down through Finland and then continue down to like Estonia, Latvia, Poland, Belgium, France, and maybe take the tunnel to England. I don't know, but just, you know, to go from Sweden up, down, and then to like Germany, France. Okay, so the next subject is why I don't like big motorcycles. And yes, I know what you're thinking. You know, when I was a kid, I didn't really like to ride on those big bicycles because, you know, I was always afraid with the height. It's not that I'm scared of the height, but, you know, for me, I was just afraid that I wouldn't be able to reach with my feet down on the ground. So I always had those smaller BMX bikes when I was a kid. Never really had one of those big bicycles. I don't know, maybe it kind of stuck with me as an adult. As you know, I have been test riding a few big motorcycles like the KTM Super Adventure, BMW GS 1200, etc., and some other adventure motorcycles, along with this one, the Yamaha Tenere 700. I've always felt more secure when I could reach the ground. So, and by reaching the ground, I mean with like both my feet securely, or what you say. So, but then I did the test ride video with this motorcycle, and I just fell in love with it instantly. So that's why I went and bought one. Here's something you can practice on when you do these turns, is to never put your feet down. Like, trust in your balance, trust in your skills, and just take it slow and don't put your feet down. So yeah, but then when I test ride this motorcycle, that kind of took away a bit of my fear. Check out my test ride video of the Yamaha T700. I will link it in the description for you. What do you think about the larger motorcycles? And by big, I don't mean like, I mean, a Harley Davidson can be big, but they are mostly long and wide. But I mean like tall, because this is a tall motorcycle. This is a tall motorcycle. Motorcycle? This is a tall motorcycle. I sound like someone from Norway. This is a tall motorcycle. Do you want to come and do a test ride with the Dark Visor? Yes, Dark Visor. I think I should turn around here. Dark Visori. Dark Visori. starka vi kör. It's a bumpy road. It's a bumpy road. Bumpy road. No cars, no cars, no feet on the ground. What's your opinion about tall motorcycles, you know, big adventure motorcycles? Do you like them? Have you tried them? Do you dislike them? Why don't you comment and let me know? By the way, today Dark Visor Motovlog just reached 24,000 subscribers. Huh. I'm really happy for that. In just 2 years we got to 24,000. I wonder how much this channel will have in another year. Would it be 50,000 or 30,000 or 100,000? What do you think? Why don't you let me know in the comment section down here? Welcome. Feel free to comment. Feel free to tell me anything. How your day was, or what new motorcycle you went and bought. I don't know. I've been here before. I recognize this place. This is close to where I dropped my Ducati Scrambler. If you haven't checked out that video, why don't you go and do so? It's a funny video. Now I am trying to find a good spot to enjoy my Red Bull that I bought, that I have in my pocket here. Okay, so I got my Red Bull and I'm gonna relax a bit and enjoy the view. And thank you all for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, and thank you for being awesome, and thank you for watching. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Bye bye. Bye bye. Adios. Namaste. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.